Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Cleanse face with cleanser. Draw a line along the jawline. Draw a line from the nostril to the highest point of the cheekbone. Place your index finger beside the corner of the mouth and draw a line 1 cm away from the finger. Place your index finger from the ear, then draw a line connecting the chin and cheekbone along the finger. For the L7-3.0 mm head, measure the treatment area. Its treatment distance is 25 mm. Draw lines on the cheek from the chin to the cheekbone, keeping a 25 mm distance between lines. Draw a line along the lower eye socket, just below the bone, extending to the corner of the eye. Mark the forbidden area at the outer corner of the eye with an X. Draw a vertical line 1 cm above the eyebrow head. Draw the second and third lines above the eyebrow at 25 mm intervals. Repeat the same lines on the other side of the forehead. Draw a line 20 mm above the eyebrow in the center of the forehead. Mark the forbidden area with an X. Repeat the same steps on the other cheek and eye area. Draw a line where the chin and neck meet. Add lines at 25 mm intervals in this area. Caution, mark the glottis area as a forbidden area with an X. Starting above the collarbone, draw a line along the neck. Draw a line from below the ear to the collarbone. Add lines at 25 mm intervals along the neck. Mark the area behind the ear on the neck as a forbidden area with an X. Repeat the same steps on the other cheek and eye area. Evenly apply gel to the marked treatment areas. Replenish the gel as needed during operation. Follow this treatment order: neck, chin, cheeks, eye area, and forehead. Neck and chin treatment settings. L4-4.5 mm. Pitch, 1 mm. Length, 10 mm. Energy, 0.5 J. Energy release mode, single. Cheek treatment settings. L7-3.0 mm. Pitch, 1 mm. Length, 10 mm. Energy, 0.3 J. Energy release mode, single. Eye around area treatment settings. MF 2.0 mm. Pitch, 1 mm. Length, 10 mm. Energy, 0.3 J. Energy release mode, single. Eye around area treatment settings. MF 2.0 mm. Pitch, 1 mm. Length, 10 mm. Energy release mode, single. Eye around area treatment settings. MF 2.0 mm. Pitch, 1.4 millimeters. Length, 5 millimeters. Energy, 0.1 J. Energy release mode, single. Forehead treatment settings. L7-1.5 mm. Pitch, 1 millimeter. Length, 5 millimeters. Energy, 0.1 J. Energy release mode, single. Replenish the gel as needed during operation. Press the handle button and apply the treatment head vertically to the skin. Ask the recipient about any sensations. Mild stinging, soreness, or warmth are normal. Adjust settings if the recipient experiences discomfort. Recommended shots for each head per session, 80 to 200 shots, adjust according to individual needs and the area's condition. Keep treatment head movements at 1 mm intervals until the area is fully covered. Caution: always check in with the recipient during the procedure and adjust settings as needed for the best results and comfort. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a facial mask. Clean the face thoroughly and apply repair essence and repair cream.